Arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of number in which we get each term adding a particular number to the previous term except the first term. For example, if we take 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The common difference is 2, 2, 2, 2. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2, 6 and 4 is 2, 8 and 6 is 10, 2, 10 and 8 is 2, 12 and 10 is 2. Then each number in the sequence is known as term. The fixed number, that the difference between each term, each preceding term, is known as common difference. It is denoted by D. It can be positive, negative, 0, or it is represented by as D. Now we have to see some examples, students, on arithmetic progression. If the common difference D is less than 0, it is positive. For example, 20, 30, 40, 50. The value of D is 10. Same type, if you take D is less than 0, that is negative. Then if you take 100, 75, 50, 25, 0, the value common difference is minus 25. Same type, if D equal to 0, means 0 means the difference is 0. In any sequence, if the difference is 0, then the values will be same. That is, for example, 5, 5, 5, 5. If it means in this, the difference is always 0. General form of arithmetic progression. From this, we have to consider that the arithmetic progression is a sequence or series. We have to conclude the common difference is fixed value. It will not be changed. For example, if it is the difference is 2 or difference is 3, for example, 3, 6, 9, 12, or 4, 8, 12, 16, same type. General form of arithmetic progression is A is first term, A plus D, second term, A plus 2D, third term, A plus 3D, fourth term. Whereas the first term is A and the common difference is D. Next we move to the finite and infinite arithmetic progressions. Finite means which are countable. Finite arithmetic progression, if there are only limited number of terms in the sequences, then it is known as finite arithmetic progression. 229, 329, 429, 529, 629. Finite means which is countable. Infinite arithmetic progression means if there are an infinite number of terms in the sequence, then it is known as infinite arithmetic progression. 2, 4 is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, which is endless, which are not countable. The countable is called as finite arithmetic progression. The uncountable is called as infinite arithmetic progression. The infinite arithmetic progression denoted as n. The nth term of arithmetic progression is, if n is the nth term of a1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, then the sequence and the D is common difference. Then the nth term of arithmetic progression will be n equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term. This is the formula to find the nth term of arithmetic progression. N equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term in the sequence a1 is the first term of the sequence, n is number of terms, D is what? Common difference. This is the general formula for arithmetic progression to find the nth term, n equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. All of students understand? Next we move to the some examples. Find the 11th term of AP, arithmetic progression, 24, 20, 16. In this, A is first term, that is 24. N is how much? 11th term. Common difference is 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. Then we have to apply the formula. n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then n means 11, a means 24, plus n means 11 minus 1, d means how much the common difference? The difference between second and first term, that is minus 4. So 24, 11 minus 1, 10, 10 minus 4, minus 40, 10 into minus 4 is minus 40, minus 40 plus 24, that is minus 16. Then the 11th term will be minus 16. Arithmetic series. Understand all of it. This type you have to find the nth term of AP, whatever the terms will be given. Next we go to the arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequences. The means the arithmetic series in the form of a plus d plus a plus 2d, a plus 3d dash dash dash. Means we have to add all the arithmetic terms. Means that is called arithmetic series. Sum of first n terms of arithmetic series is calculated by using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Means this formula is used to find the sum of arithmetic series. Addition of. If you take some example, I have to show one example. If Radha saves some money every month in her piggy bank, then how much money will be there in the piggy bank after 12 months? If the money is in the sequence 100, 150, 200, 250 respectively. First of all, we have to write that numbers in the sequence form: 100, 150, 200, 250. Then what is the A? A is the first term, 100. What is the common difference? Second terms by first term, that is 50. What is the n? Number of terms. They have given 12 months, that is 12. Now we will put the values in the form of Sn equal to, in the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 12 by 2, n is 12, 12 by 2, 2 into a is 100 plus n 12 minus 1, d is 50. 12 by 2, 200 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into 50, 550, 550 into 200, 750, 12 by 2 is 6, 6 into 750. 6 into 750 is how much? 4,500. So the Radha totally money collected in her bank after 12 months is 4,500. How much it is? 4,500. This is called to find the arithmetic series of finite objection. But when we finite arithmetic progression, we know the last term. If you know the last term, then you have to apply the last term formula. What is the last term formula? Where last term is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. In the same series, if you know the last term, then you have to apply the last term formula. That is, last term formula is called as that is also sum of the arithmetic series formula. Sn equal to n by 2 to a plus l. L is means for last term, a is first term, n is number of terms. So find the sum of we have to solve one example. Find the sum of the sequence 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. In that, a is how much? The first term, 38. They have given last term. Last term is what? 30. L. What is the number of terms? How many terms are there? 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. N is 5. Then we have to apply the last term formula directly. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. That is S5 equal to n means 5. S5 equal to n is y. N is 5 by 2. A is how much? 38 plus L is last term is how much? 30. So 38 plus 30, 68. Thus S5 equal to 5 by 2. Then divide by 2. Then it will come to the 34. So 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 into 68 means 2.5 into 68 is how much it is? 5 by 2, that is 170, that is it will come the final answer. So this is the finding the arithmetic progression in a general form. All of you already understand the how to find the arithmetic progression in the general form. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So this completes your the basic information about the arithmetic progression. Okay, I think all of you understand this arithmetic progression. Thank you once again.